Now today let's start with chapter number first, history and generation of computer. So in this chapter we will study about generation of computer. So let's start with the chapter now. Like dear students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about different generation of computer. We have 5 generation, right? Yes teachers, let's start the chapter now. Now we start. Dear student, you have learned computer in your previous class. Computer, it is familiar to everyone now. So we can say that first topic is early counting tools. In the ancient times, we do not have computer or calculator. We used to count with the help of different tools like abacus. So in ancient times, people have invented tools for calculation. Early men tied notes in a rope and carved marks on clay in order to keep the records. So they also used to count with the help of finger, toes, pebbles, stones, sticks, and wood. Now, the first calculating device is abacus that we used. The first step towards computing was the invention of abacus around 3000 years ago in China. ये एक wooden frame है with beads on parallel wires which can do simple calculation जैसे आपका addition, subtraction, right? The device is used to calculate number at a fast speed. इससे क्या करते हैं हम numbers को at a fast speed क्या करते हैं calculate करते हैं. Then we have Pascaline adding machine. So in 1642, mathematician Blaise Pascal invented calculation machine called Pascaline adding machine. The number was fed into machine by dialing them on the wheels. This device is believed to be the first mechanical calculator. And this machine was capable of performing only addition and subtraction. इसका क्या काम था? खाली ये addition और subtraction perform करते थे. Leibniz step-Recknor in 1672, mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, they invented the digital mechanical calculator जिसको हम स्टेप रेक्नॉर कहते हैं. ये पहला कैलकुलेटर था that could perform all 4 arithmetic operation. ये एडिशन भी कर सकता था, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. Right? Then Charles Babbage's analytical engine. So in 1882, mathematician named Charles Babbage, he developed a steam-driven calculating machine as a size of room, and it can do, इसको on difference engine भी कहते थे, it can do all mathematical calculation. And we can say that in 1833 he invented a machine called analytical engine, the first ever working model. और जो working model था mechanical computer पे था, and who is known as father of computer, that is Charles Babbage. Then we have Lady Ada Lovelace program. Instruction of Babbage in the form of 0 and 1. The first person जिन्होंने concept लेके आई थी. Right, she was first to introduce this language, a first computer program. Now Herman Holweth tabulating machine. So an army engineer built a machine, tabulating machine, और कब लेके आए थे 1890 में. And the machine read and store data from punch card. After success of this machine, Hollerith formed a computing tabulating recording company to sell his machine. Later in 1924, his company became a part of International Business Corporation. Right? Today, it is popularly known as IBM. इसको हम IBM कहते हैं. Now, let's study about computer generation. First, we'll talk about first generation from 1945. 40. So, like Mark 1, पहला electronic machine powered computer था. So, in 1944, what happened? Prophet Howard Akins built first electromechanical computer, जिसका नाम था Mark First. Right? So, in this, we use punch cards and typewriter. Right? Mark 1 is an example of first generation. Then ENIAC, it is the first electronic computer. Right? It is used for digital computer build. John McCarthy and Presper. यहाँ पे इसमें हमने वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स का यूज करा था, वो भी कितनी 1800. राइट. देन वी हैव यूनिवैक, ये एक यूनिवर्सल ऑटोमेटिक कंप्यूटर था. राइट, विच कुड हैंडल बोथ. ये आपके जो भी न्यूमेरिक या फिर टेक्सचुअल इंफॉर्मेशन थे दोनों को देखता. इसके अंदर 25,200 वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स थे. फीचर्स की अगर हम बात करें, ह्यूज इन साइज, वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, मेड अप ऑफ वैक्यूम ट्यूब्स. लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट सेकंड जनरेशन जो 1950 में आया. यहाँ पे हमने मैग्नेटिक टेप्स का यूज करा. राइट. So during this period, major computer manufacturers begin to offer range of accessories, जैसे page, printer, cathode ray tube display, card features. So features of second generation made up of transistor, magnetic tapes were used जिससे आप डाटा को स्टोर करेंगे. Small in size, less expensive than first generation, faster and reliable. ज़्यादा तेज है, ज़्यादा reliable है. Then we have third generation, that is in 1960. In this we have used ICs, that is integrated circuits. ये smaller in size थे, इनकी functioning भी ज़्यादा अच्छी थी. Features क्या थे? They are made using ICs. The use of ICs reduce the size और जो speed है कंप्यूटर की वो भी increase हो गई. They were more affordable, ज़्यादा affordable थे. Then we have fourth generation, that is VLSI, very large scale integration. In this, what we have used? We have used microprocessor, right? IBM has released its first desktop PC, which was used by the Intel 8088 chips, and which had more memory और ज़्यादा hard drive space थी. What are its features? Microprocessor invented, small in size. इसको आप easily ऑफिस टेबल पे भी रख सकते हो. हार्ड डिस्क हमने इसमें यूज करा था डाटा को स्टोर करने के लिए, और यहाँ पे GUI ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ था. नाउ वी हैव फिफ्थ जनरेशन दैट इज प्रेजेंट नाउ. So in this, in 1986, VLSI टेक्नोलॉजी वॉज यूज्ड, जिससे आप पावरफुल माइक्रो प्रोसेसर को यूज करोगे, उसकी स्पीड, साइज, कॉस्ट और परफॉर्मेंस दोनों को क्या करोगे, इम्प्रूव करोगे. In 1997, Intel introduced MMX microprocessor, and scientists are still developing computer with AI, right? So this is our fifth generation computer. Its features are use artificial intelligence, improve size, cost, speed, and new version of GUI operating system is being developed, right? This is all about the computer generation. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.